How to change from print to e-file in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you printed your taxes to mail them in and went all the way through review and file section, when you sign into TurboTax online, you will see the way to go you filed your 2024 taxes and you won't see a way to change to e-file. You have to know that if you already mailed your return, don't e-file it. This can cause problems with the government, including refund delays. You can also switch from printing to e-file method until April 15. You must be eligible to e-file. Now, you want to head over to TurboTax to switch to e-filing. Sign into your account. On the tax home screen, scroll down to your taxes, returns, and documents option. Select 2024 and then select Add a State. Now select File. On the Just One More Step screen, follow steps 1 and 2 if you haven't already. Now select the Start button to the right of step 3. On the Let's Get Ready to e-file screen, select I want to e-file. Follow the instructions to e-file your return. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.